My daughter, wait. That's my daughter.
Natalie, turn around.
Hi, babe. You okay? Okay, and this is her dad. Breathing so hard, by the way. This is so hard walk that's going up. Okay. They're going so far, far, far. And my husband here.
Here's my pulse. For those timing at home, mark your watch. 1,
Coming.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Come on, your daughter's calling me. I'm coming. This is ever my daughter farthest ever walk that she ever made on her life. Ever. She's doing such a great job walking this very stiff and rough walkway going back where we park our car. So it was amazing. She was wow, but you have to walk a little bit far going back. Going there was easier to walk always. Going back it's hard because you know how it's gonna be. It's a hill. This is my husband. Hey, you okay?
Okay.
Oh jeez, yes madam. You're welcome, madam.
I just need a cookie and then
How you doing, babe?
good.
I'm so proud of you. Okay, walk slowly. Oh, shakay. Hurt myself, but I'm fine. That's our tour guide, by the way. So, this is the wrap. Now, again, bye for now. I have to help my daughter. Bye.